Each time we have a quarrel, it almost breaks my heart. I am so afraid that we will have to part. Guys, how's it going? It is I, the real Randy Chavez. I'm coming at you today with a Tesla stock update video. Shout out to my Patreon members and subscribers. Y'all are the best for supporting me in my time of dying. Today, Chamath Palihapitiya said that the world's richest person should be focused on fighting climate change. He is saying what I've been saying since I started making these videos last year, that the energy sector is so ripe for disruption, it will be turned on its head. There's still a lot of people that are shocked by the surge, even those of us who are long Tesla, like me, did I expect the price to get here? Abso-freaking-lutely. Did I expect it this quickly? It'd probably be 1,200 at some point next year. Just again, it's not financial advice. Look in the description. I'm not a financial advisor. The 20x move that we have seen from Tesla comes from a starting point that was deeply mispriced. The company only had a $35 billion market cap at that point, and then 12 months later, Tesla generated $2.5 billion of adjusted net income, effectively pricing the stock at 14x price to earnings ratio. Obviously, hindsight is 2020, but the point is that the rally is a move from when everyone was afraid that Tesla was going to go bankrupt. And even in 2020, during the pandemic, we had a big sell-off. Went from 900 something to around 350. Everywhere we turned, everyone was speculating that the shutdowns were going to ruin the company, how his Elon Musk's actions on the Q1 earnings call and his behavior led people to believe that he was manic and bipolar and completely unfit to run the company. And I bet with what was left of my net worth at the time, I'd already spent $30,000 trying to open up that second business specifically for Pokemon, which is successful now, thank God. But my first business, I was going to close it up. I was going to say, okay, I'm going to do something else because I had no money. So I took what receivables I could and I just dumped it into Tesla. I saw my opportunity and I was like, so undervalued, so undervalued. So I literally put what I could in because a bunch of us knew that not only would they recover, but they would thrive, eat everyone else's lunch, and they're not done yet. They're doing it. They're still doing it. The next 8 catalysts we have for the stock, we have the active managers and the money managers, the S&P, that are benchmarked to buy. They're still buying. Then you have the Wall Street raising price targets following Q4 deliveries. That'll happen shortly as well. When we go over the Q4 earnings call, that is. Cybertruck update again on January 15th. We have the full self-driving mid-range radar launch. That'll happen as well. Expedite the process of getting full self-driving up. And that we have a Democrat-controlled Congress, Senate, and we have Biden as president, which, like him or hate him, he's going to have an electric vehicle tax credit plan, which will only help Tesla. Not that it won't help other companies. I'm just saying it won't hurt Tesla. That works out because Elon Musk's goal is to transition the world to sustainable energy, which it's Tesla, it's NIO, it's Li, whatever. Obviously, Tesla's in first. They're always going to be first, but just my opinion. And we have higher 2021 volume guidance, likely following a strong made-in-China Model Y launch, because, again, that's this month as well. Then we have Q4 earnings per share is estimated at 96 cents a share, where I believe it's going to be well over $1. And then delivery guidance for 2021 will be well over what Wall Street thinks. Wall Street thinks that Tesla's only going to do 777,000 deliveries this year. I don't know what they're smoking. I don't know why they're so stupid, but obviously, I told you guys my prediction, 1.1 million for 2021. Whatever Tesla will come out with, they'll say on the Q4 earnings call, they might say something along the lines of, I don't know, maybe like 900,000. I don't know what they'll say, but anyway, let's take a look at the stock. The stock was absolutely doing fantastic today. A lot of stuff for it. I'm just going to take a look at some of the stuff that I have. I have NNOX, I have NWBO. Again, this is just a gamble. They do making a drug for glioblastoma, which is the most aggressive form of brain cancer. NNOX is, again, the Jewish Elon Musk just builds companies in his free time. This is about imaging, x-rays. I don't have MVPT, but I want it. ENCC, my friends bought it at a penny. It's almost 8 pennies right now. I don't have Nintendo, but I should. I do have Unity. I do have the Unity software. That's great. Again, for me, they have a piece in every single video game, almost every single video game that comes out. I have Teledoc. I do not have Facebook, but obviously most of my portfolio is made up of Tesla. This is insane. This is 11 days. This is the 11th day in a row where it's just been up. Like it is bananas. It is absolutely bananas. Am I Gwen Stefani in 2005? Because this is BANANAS. $834 billion market cap. We have 30 million shares today that was traded over the average volume. So we got 73 instead of 43. We are now within 2.5% of getting to 900, which is absolutely insane. This is why once I'm done paying off this one Pokemon card, that Trophy Kangaskhan, I should be by the end of the month. Next month, I will have the, I'll have it. I will have more money to put into Tesla. The other things that I have on there, that game E2, Earth 2, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I have so much, the third company that I'm making. I love you guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Comments are good for the YouTube algorithm. I love you all.